Welcome to part 4 of my video series, A Few of My Favorite Things. These are tips, tricks, tools, and items that I use when I'm flipping houses, and they're my go-tos, the ones I use every single time. So today is all about bath fans, and I'm going to show you one that is superior to all the other ones that I have used so far. This is available on Amazon. It has an LED light, which I'm going to show you in a minute. It has a CFM rating of 110. That's like twice the CFM, that's the airflow that it removes from a space. That's about twice the airflow that it evacuates from a space compared to like the base models, cheaper models, which are usually around 65. It has 1200 lumens on the light. That's pretty bright. It's not like crazy like spotlight bright, because you don't want that in a toilet room. It is quiet. It's very quiet, but it's not too quiet, which you don't want because the trade name for these things are fart fans. They're bath fans, but you know, you want a little bit of camouflage in there. This is what you'll see. This is the part that goes in the ceiling. The rest of it is the mechanical part that goes up in the rafters. So this is the part that you're really worried about. I mean, you're worried about all of it because you want it to work well, but the part you see, that's what you want to think about. This is all a light. This is 1200 lumens. It is perfectly bright for any application. And the cool part is you don't see the fan and you don't see the grills or the grates or what have you, because it evacuates all the air from in between the light and the mounting bracket. It works really, really well. Like I said, 110 CFM, that's a lot of air movement. That's not quite what like a range hood would have, but it's not that far off. So this is a really, really nice unit. And the cool part is it's only 70 bucks. If you want to buy a comparable unit at any big box, you're talking probably nearly double that, $129 or so for a unit that does everything this does. So $70 on Amazon. And I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can go to it, find it, and shop for it. I am compensated. I want to disclose that up front. I am compensated by Amazon for items that I share and recommend. I hope you find that fair. And if you do wind up buying one of these, I hope you do it through my link. This unit I've used in most every house I've done in the past several years. We're about to put 4 of them into a house right now. Yeah, they're the bomb. Check it out. Link in the description below. And if you're finding this helpful or useful, give me a like and a subscribe. I won't mind. Thank you very much.